Dinal RC. I rep Motug Philippines and the originator weight. I got on gang. Doing this shit once again. Blaze said that I gotta go faster. I don't do the cooking, I don't do the cleaning. I just do the one thing that I master. Never be shooting guns, but you can call me up with the tongue. Not a teacher, but I'm schooling up. Kicking your ass, I'm a hooligan. Ladies and gentlemen, I come with chemistry better than apple and cinnamon. We ain't got that juice, Ecleezy got the formula, I got the medicine. When I stop rapping, they be like, can you do that again? We got Norwegians, Filipinos, Brazilians, and Americans. We like to give it to the fans, jumping and screaming. Always trying to be reaching, goals never stop dreaming. We be the Bulletongue teamin', we be the best on the scene. And maybe some of you haven't heard me rapping Norwegian. Helt ärligt, stilen din är fan meg helt jævlig. Kødder du med meg, så kødder jeg med deg, da er du helt ferdig. Men stedet har blitt opp til hytta, har jeg vært i boden og spytta. Mens du var i bakken med gutta, og tok med korona og smitta. Pag may pandemic, bawal magrappa mga Pilipino. Kuno, siring, han, usanga dapat nga pido. Himaria Ozawa, may da usanga pagpakiyana. Pagabagan may kalayo, hinaan na tuprahin lava. Filipino fella with a flip-flop flow. Gotta get the money, gotta get that dough. Better check me live and I wreck that show. Now runs motherfucking text so blow. Just as it's under the technical way that I ram. Taking my time, create the design. Gotta be the baddest motherfucker with GSB. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. Dinal RC, Motug Philippines, originator white.